Hey y'all, it's Corey. Sorry it's been a little bit since we've made any videos here. We've had an astronomical amount of stuff going on here in our personal lives between grandbabies being born and our stepdaughter got married this past weekend. Really haven't gotten to spend a whole lot of time in the shop. I've had a health scare here not too long ago. Put me down just a little bit, and Miss Amber did a little bit of damage to her throttle pedal foot. So things have been a little bit trying here lately, but we are looking forward to getting back on track here. We do have Amber's Blazer is back up and going. We had a little bit of an issue with some valve springs in it. We got some new valve springs put in it. It seems to be running pretty good. We are getting ready to start up preparations for Six Smokies, which is going to be, I believe, October 12th through the 19th. So there's going to be a lot of content coming from that. With my little bit of health scare, we have been unable to proceed any farther with the Pro Street truck, my red Blazer. We were hoping to be able to take it to Tennessee with us for the Six Smokies, but that's just not going to happen this year. Other than that, everything else is going pretty good. Work was absolutely crazy, but getting ready to start dying down a little bit. So we'll be able to film a lot more content inside of the shop. We do have some changes coming up to the old 64. We have been blessed to be able to take it to a few car shows. It was also in our daughter's wedding there last weekend over in Indiana. So we have been able to get it out and going. We're going to make some changes. That way Dad is a little bit more comfortable driving that car on some drag and drive events. We Broke Garage is going to be putting on an event next May, which tickets will be going up on the vote for it in November. We're going to kind of going to use like a poker run, a car cruise, and a car show all in one. It's going to be a 2-day event just in the state of Ohio. So we're in the midst of getting it put together right now. It should be a really good time. But I want to thank everybody that has liked, shared, subscribed to our channel. And rest assured, we're going to get some more content out going for you guys here very soon. Hunter has not been able to spend a whole lot of time here at the shop either. He did end up making the varsity marching band at his hometown high school. And marching band there really takes up a lot of time. So he's been concentrating on that. And like I said, as late fall and winter starts hitting, we're going to get back into this shop and get some more things rolling. So again, I want to thank everybody for liking, sharing, subscribing. And we look forward to getting some really good content out here for you here soon. Thanks, y'all.